नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं सौरभ शर्मा। आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज नेशन। दोस्तों, आज मेरे साथ एक खास मेहमान मौजूद है। खास इसलिए है क्योंकि उन्होंने अभी अभी एक ट्रॉफी जीती है स्प्लिट्सविला की। सौंदर्या, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और मैंने सौंदर्या क्यों बोला, वो सौंदर्या बताएंगी कि उनका नाम सौंदर्या कैसे पड़ा। वेलकम टू न्यूज नेशन।
Thank you so much for having me.
Because you love India and you are happy here, so you got your name Saundarya when you came to India, right?
नहीं तो मेरा नाम सुंदू से, लेकिन आपके लिए तो सौंदर्या मुमकिन है।
So पहले बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, आप विनर हैं। और कैसा लग रहा है, बिकॉज इतनी सारी चिक चिक और इतनी सारी लड़ाइयाँ, इतने सारे गेम्स के बाद एक ट्रॉफी हाथ में आई है।
Yeah, it feels amazing. It feels like our work had paid off and all that I were like worth it.
So कैसे गेम्स खेलते थे? हाउ यू गॉट योर माइंड settled down, because it has so many games inside, so many tricks, so many like everybody's behind you, fighting, drama, love stories, and then
Yeah.
after it you won the trophy.
Yeah. So this is something that doesn't make it to the edits of the episode of Splitsvilla. They cannot like show all the brainstorming behind, or the chalakness, all the masterminding that's behind. But this game requires a lot of like brainstorming, a lot of thinking, and believe me, when everyone goes to sleep in the night, I will sit outside my room and be like this, okay, so this person is behind me, the other is behind me, how can I kick this, how can I no. Okay, then tomorrow I have plan A. In case plan A doesn't work, okay, then I have plan B. Then I go to sleep, and each day it's a new like episode, it's like a new season. Each day the combination changed, because today these two are friends, tomorrow they are enemies, so you have to adjust your game plan accordingly.
So I need to ask you, how real is everyone love in reality shows?
Oh, um, wow. It's actually okay. Well, I would not be like so negative. It's sometimes real and sometimes fake. Okay, so many people fake love relationship because I don't know how to put this in a nice way. We are in India, okay, and Indian people, they are so emotional. Okay, we grow up with खाना, कुछ का हम प्यार की कहानी बहुत पसंद है. So people know that if they put on a love story on TV, they will get a lot of TRP. So
Yes.
sometimes fake love, they fake relationship, because they know that the audience, especially the audience watches with Villa, which is like youth generation, youth like people, they love stories. Okay, so they fake it. But there is a bunch of people who don't fake it and say real. And the only way to know it is that you have to follow people after this Place Villa or after the reality show to see if they are still together.
अच्छा सोनिस, क्योंकि लव स्टोरीज मैंने बिग बॉस की भी बहुत सफल होती हुई देखी है, स्प्लिट्स विला की भी देखी है। ये जो लव स्टोरीज हैं, कहते हैं ना कि ये एक हाउसेज हैं, ये एक ऐसे रियलिटी गेम्स हैं जहां आप जाते हैं और अपने प्यार के साथ बाहर निकलते हैं। सो योर लव वाज रियल, और
Oh, so it was real from my side and fake from his side.
so
Yeah. जब हमने बाहर गई लाइक स्प्लिट्स विला के बाद में, तो लोग मैंने मैसेज किया लाइक इस कि दूसरे लड़के के साथ घूम रहा है, and I then that this guy was dating before the show, so yeah, so that's why I say that sometimes people do fake love just for.
so are you ready for Big Boss house if you got chance?
अगर they ask you for any name, तो मेरा नाम, because Big Boss is like a big dream for me, and like it's one of the reality shows that hosts most celebrities, like all the showbiz people go as to the villa, and it's a big platform and it's like a door opener for Bollywood. So if I get the chance to Big Boss, it's just like I will cry. I will call you. मैं आपको
All
call
right.
करेंगे.
Acha, tell me, the time when Urfi entered Splits Villa, what was
Yeah,
everyone's reaction and what was your reaction at Split?
it was it was very shocking, very surprising because she's a personality who is very controversial, okay? And
जी.
she's someone who have been dealing with so much negativity for the past years. So she's very strong mentally, Like people who have been through bullying, people who have been through so much negativity, when they come out of it, they come very strong. So when she came, everyone was scared of her. Like, my God, like sometimes people wouldn't even reply to her because the way she would reply, people could not handle it. But she did her job like so properly. I would like rate her 10 on 10. The chef.
Acha, you have seen her videos, the way she carries herself, the fashion goals she's following. So, how many marks would you give to her fashion sense?
I have a background from finance, so I can rate someone if it's about finance. I have zero knowledge about fashion, but her 10 on 10 of doing whatever she's.
Okay, so you had met her. So how did she played game? Because you met her in the so how she made her mind? Was she came with a mind setup that yes, I have to beat everyone who's playing good in the game.
No, so actually she has been hired as a maker. She was not a contestant. There was a job for her to create drama in the villa and to create a lot of, situations and dramatic situations. So yeah, like so well. Like for her, it was essay fatafat, manipulating people, creating controversy and all of this. And only strong people, like mentally strong people, and then clever people, smart people can do it. So she's obviously one of those people.
Acha, you have a very nice tattoo on your finger of right hand. What's that? Yeah.
So ये लेटर एन अरबिक में, ठीक है, और ये 3 पॉइंट्स है क्योंकि मेरा पापा, माँ और बहन के नाम दे स्टार्ट्स विद एन.
And one more tattoo, heart tattoo on your inner side of left shoulder, right?
Yeah, that's out of a heartbreak story.
So you're a tattoo lover as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Because you have done music album also, Aja Aja, a short film, Ulje Hue. So what
Yeah.
is your next project coming with a surprise to your fans?
Okay, so there is one short movie called Continuity, produced by Deepak, and there's one item song called Habibi.
So you're still running a travel agency and traveling more of the countries because you love traveling.
Yeah, I know that happened for administrative reasons, but my friend is still running that. But yeah, traveling a lot. Like I would love to go back to travel.
Asa, Soumya, if you got a chance to romance somebody on screen in movie, who would be that lucky one? So that who would you love to romance on screen if you get a
Okay,
chance in movie?
मेरे पास एक दो नाम है, ठीक है, और ये दोनों लोग बहुत अलग है, उनके पर्सनालिटीज बहुत अलग है. First one will be नवाजुद्दीन. Okay,
Wow.
because मुझे ये all school का प्यार चाहिए, he's like a all school lover and then he's very basic. And the second guy will be Aditya Roy Kapoor.
Wow. Unique names
तो
with the unique,
बनाएंगे.
unique names from the unique girl. Okay. Because you told me you would love to romance Nawaz Bhai and Aditya Roy Kapoor. So any because you're a very poetry and you write poems. So 2 lines from any of your poems you would dedicate to them.
Oh my God, but I write in Arabic. I don't write in English and Hindi.
But still 2 lines from your side which you can dedicate to them.
Okay, so you romance me and I will romance them. You give me 2 lines and I will give them 2 lines.
Okay, कहते ना कि जिसको भी शिद्दत से पाने की कोशिश करो, पूरी कायनात आपको उसको मिलाने में लग जाती है। और आपने जिसको 2 नामों को शिद्दत से आपने जिनका नाम लिया है, मुझे लगता है पूरी कायनात आपको उसको मिलाने में लग जाएगी और जल्दी आप एक मूवी उनके साथ करेंगे जल्दी फ्यूचर में।
Okay, wait.
But still, okay, tell me, because everybody keep asking ki reality shows are scripted. Everything is being told to them. You have to romance. You have to come up with the controversy. What is your take on that?
Okay, so reality shows are not scripted from the production side, but the people who do reality show, they are themselves scripted. They write for
So,
themselves. They are the actors and they are the producers and they are the directors. So they are fake. You know, some people come completely with a fake mindset कि मुझे एक love story ये show में बनाएंगे, मुझे ये personality portray करेंगे, ऐसे.
such as Saunders, what is your mindset after Roadies and now after Splitsvilla? What your thinking process now? What you have to be online and what kind of things you are signing up?
I would love to go on Big Boss, and I would love like generally to go on another reality show because I feel that I have much more to give to the non-fiction world, which is reality showbiz. Rather than that, my dream and like my aim has always been to be in Bollywood in acting. I feel like मैं हर दिन mirror के सामने acting कर रही हूँ, you know. So I love just being in front of the camera and play different roles and be in different like mindsets. So I would like be more than happy if any opportunity.
Achha, Saunders, because you always give treats to your fans on Insta, lovely photos, lovely videos, and you have seen the Besharam song of Deepika Padukone.
Yeah, Bisharam.
So,
Shahrukh.
Ji. So, because the way she has performed, it was mind blowing, and but somehow it gone into some controversy because of a bikini, the two-piece she wore. So, what is your take? Matlab, how you take that controversies when it comes to you? Because there are so many lines being said about everyone. So, how you take those controversies?
I feel that the way to success always feels lonely. And the moments people start speaking about you, that means you exist and you're creating something that they didn't do. Otherwise, they would have been speaking about themselves instead of speaking about. So yeah, she's like a queen. She's unbeatable. She's like today the ambassador of one of the biggest brands worldwide, which is Louis Vuitton, Levi. So I don't think that these comments gets to her anyway.
Okay, one last question. Any headline you have heard, you have seen, which surprised you? Your own headline in the news.
Oh, like
Which surprised you? Any headline of yours? You read somewhere, you have seen some headlines running on your name, and you got surprised. Arey, this happened.
oh yeah. I just saw that recently Sundusi dating Sora. Then it was what?
So,
That's not.
Saunders, thank you talking to us and giving your special time. And congratulations once again because it's a win of yours. It's a win of Morocco. It's a win of your parents. It's a win of your friends. And it's a proud moment and it's a time to celebrate. And may you get chance in Big Boss and you win Big Boss trophy in future. and that is the wish I could ask for you from God.
Thank
But keep entertaining, because you have played wonderful in Splitsville, and seriously, that's a mind setup, mind game, because you have lots of people to tackle around, but and you made it, and keep rocking, and keep entertaining with your games and your roles and your projects coming in the future.
thank you so much. That was like
Thank you.
all I'm or like all what you have wished me is all I keep asking for every day. And I'm so glad that my hard work is reaching you. And it was so lovely speaking to you. It was so entertaining and then funny. And I will keep Kundaria as my second name. And if I get Big Boss, मैं आपको call.
I'll wait for the that luckiest time when you're gonna got offer for Big Boss. Till then, take care and namaskar.
Namaskar.